If you've got more tomatoes than you can manage right now, I've got a quick and easy solution on how you can freeze them. And it's coming right up. If we're just meeting, I'm Denise Jordan and I teach traditional homemaking for today's homemaker. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Right now, many people have an overabundance of tomatoes. They're bringing them into work, they're leaving them at the beauty shop, they're sharing them with family and friends. And you want to take advantage of some of that bounty, but you're not real sure how to manage them. Well, it's as simple as freezing them. Take a cookie sheet, cover the cookie sheet with parchment paper, freezer paper, something like that, and just set the tomatoes on the cookie sheet. And then put the tomatoes in the freezer, let them freeze overnight, and then take them out and put them in the freezer bag. Put the date on the bag so that you know when you put them in there. And they'll be good in your freezer for about 6 to 8 months. And when you're ready to use them, it will be as simple as taking them out of the bag. Just drop them in your pot of sauce, soup, stews, whatever it is that you're making. And once they heat up to a certain point, the skins will split and then you can just lift the skins right out of your dish. It's as simple as that. And if you like this video, you might want to stop back and check out my video on how to preserve herbs. I had a nice little crop of herbs growing in my kitchen garden and I dried them. I will link that with an iCard above and in the description box below. Now here's my question for you. What have you been doing with those tomatoes and cucumbers and other goodies that your family and friends have been sharing with you? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children and I've managed a home for more than 45 years. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, subscribe. I can teach you to be a traditional homemaker in an untraditional world. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out my video on how to preserve herbs. And I will see you next time.